Welcome back to Lunch at the Market for Wednesday. First of all, we want to start off the show by thanking at Matthew in Inc. 02 for the really nice comments last night about Lunch at the Market. Apparently Matthew was stuck somewhere, whipped out his BlackBerry torch and started watching episodes of Lunch at the Market to get him through having to pass the time. We're really glad to see the content being helpful to investors. That's been our goal from the beginning, to get need-to-know content to individual investors, so thank you to Matthew at Matthew Inc. 02. Do know, everyone, that we are listening. We have bots from Google that crawl the internet to find every mention of our company, and we are on Twitter in a big way with very timely information, links to articles, and new features, as well as stock picks and levels. So if any of you are wondering why I'm sitting on the floor today, because that's obviously what it looks like, it's because I am. So we are so dedicated to bringing you guys Lunch at the Markets every day. We had a section of the floor replaced that Brad worked so hard managing his client accounts that it actually marred a spot on our less than a year old floor, and so he had to get it replaced, and so they took our desk and moved it, and so here we are on the floor doing Lunch at the Markets because we are dedicated to bringing you good content. So on to the news that you're really interested in. Look for calls to sell against your stock. That has been a way for us to make up profits on names that we've been beaten up over the course of the year. Selling premium at a strike you're willing to get called away is a discipline to have that will help you avoid being overly bullish when the markets are ripping. Do not be tempted to buy back the call and lay out a call above that which is in the money or at the money to take advantage of a much higher stock price. For instance, we were short ETN 70 calls. When the stock blew through the strike, we were able to lay out the September 80 calls. Clearly we will probably be keeping the stock and the premium there, and each month we'll lay out more calls. Eventually we'll capture all the premium we had to pay to buy back the call, and we'll be adding to our profit in the stock. We are up huge in the stock, about 100% in the name, so we're really just adding incremental gains to this position. Be careful when you buy back calls on names. Clean Energy, CLNE, is a situation in which we were short 18 strike calls. Bought them back on the news that natural gas might actually be backed by legislation, only to watch the story not play out, and then watch the stock trade down dramatically from there. So we lost out on the stock and the options. The lesson here: do not be afraid to be called away. No one ever got hurt taking a profit. Alright, sell your calls against stock you own. Don't be greedy. You may want to sell in the money calls against names that you've enjoyed a nice run and need to take some off. Consider getting some Cirrus Logic 2011 March 17 calls. The CEO was on Fast Money halftime today, and he basically hit every hot new area of growth for chips: mobile, LED lighting, and smart grid. This company has pulled back massively from where we sold it at the $18 level, and the company ran all the way north of $20 before dropping back under $16. The stock is trading above $16 now, but it's far from the $20 52-week high that it hit. Thanks for tuning in again today. Thanks again to Matthew, and hope everyone is loving all the content from both our YouTube channel and our website. Our top secret project will be released. We'll be back at it with America's favorite traders, getting you access to the names you know and love from the Fast Money lineup of programs. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.